Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to do tweet automatic with the help of Python. So if you love doing code in Python, so this video is only for you. Without wasting so much time, let's get started. So in this video, you are gonna learn with the help of Python code how we can going to log in into Twitter account automatically. We are not going to write twitter.com and going other website and login into by providing him my our email ID or username or password. Either we are not going to do anything manually. Rather, we are going to do something automatic by writing code. We are going to do write our code once and we are going to send to it again and again by just writing some 2 or 3 lines of code at last. So in the beginning, we are just going to log in into Twitter account by doing Python code. So when we are going to run this part of code, what is happening you can see here. So when we are gonna run this part of code, there will be some window in the taskbar and that window will help us to do next step. So I'm going to run this part of code, right? So when I'm running this part of code, so there will be something, some other window in the taskbar. So let's see what is happening in the taskbar, right? So you can see the other window here. So yeah, so now you can see clear when I run this part of code, this will return you this window, this Twitter website window by saying Chrome is being controlled by automated test software because we are using automation. That's why you can see something written on your Chrome window by running these parts of code. So now what we are going to do, we are going to click on this login button. So we are not going to click by manual, either we are not going to do anything, but we are going to run this part of code. When we are running this part of code, so what is happening you can see. This will automatically click on that login button. Now we are going to provide him username or password automatically. So we are going to this run this part of code, and after running this part of code, password and username will be fetched automatically. Now by running this part of code, we are going to click on login button, right? So when I run that part of code, you can see my account is login automatically. So what next? Next we are going to write message and do to it. That's it. So now what we are going to do? We are going to click on this part, this what's happening part. So you can see my cursor is here, and now my cursor is here. When I'm running this part of code, that will be click automatically. So you have to focus what I'm doing, and you have to focus on my other window as well, both window. So oh sorry, okay. So on this login button, I have already clicked. That's why I'm getting this error. So no problem. I have to run the another part of code. By mistake, I run the same code again and again. But I need to run this part of code so that I can click on this button, right? So when I'm running this part of code, yeah, you can see there is something click button on here, right? Now what I'm going to provide him some message. So what I'm doing, I'm just changing here some message. You like the video, subscribe my channel, something. So now I'm running this part of code, and when I'm running this part of code, this message will be provided here, right? So you can see you like the video, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends. So now by clicking on this tweet button, this will be tweeted automatically. So I'm running last part of my code. So when I'm running this part code, you can see the tweet, right? You like the video, subscribe my channel, and share my video with your friends. So this was the video how we can tweet automatic with the help of Python. So guys, avoid this error because I got this error because I run the same code again and again. So I request you, you do not need to make the same mistake like I made. So this was the video how we can do automatic tweet, right? So now what I'm going to see you will let you know that this is the part of code where you can see what I have written. So if you need the code, you just need to write need code in the comment box, or you can share my video as well with your friends if they need. And if you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching this video.